Hi and welcome to the Startups Tech Challenges from 0 to million users. My name is Amaury and I build this course for non-technical founders to help them build their dream company with unbiased advices. My daily job is to help startup founders from scratch all the way up to 30 salaries. And I know that these days being a startup CEO is very trendy, but you have to keep in mind that the focus of a startup is to change people's life, fulfilling their desires thanks to technologies. And that required a lot of skills and know-how. First off, on marketing and business to detect opportunities, but also in tech management. And don't freak out, I'm not talking about coding or managing server. We are talking about choosing developers, freelancers, providers, experts, etc. But also choosing the adapted technologies for each stage, from the prototype to million users product. And one of your main challenges will be to have a clear communication between you, the founder, and the technical team. Here is the situation. Developers talk 5 to 8 hours to computer. No feedbacks, no human relation at all. And that makes things more complex when we need to make tech decision. I mean, strategical decision. So you might wondering, what is the best solution for me? How do I get there? Especially without tech background or without a tech co-founder. Basically, who should I trust? Should I count on web agencies? You're gonna say no, they just want to pay their employees. Okay, should I trust freelancers? Well, no, they just want to finance their next trip and they are going to be off for several months. Okay, what about trainees? No, they are just junior. They Google things, but they don't know actually how to build it. Okay, I know exactly what you are thinking. You want a CTO co-founder. Good luck with that. Do you think he's going to appear by magic? You know, building a company is like wedding. And would you get married with someone you just met? I don't say that it's not possible for it to work, but I just say that it's exceptional. And is there any magic solution? Nope, but I have a practical one to propose. In this course, I want to help you to delegate to the right person. I want to help you to work effectively, no matter if we work with freelancers, web agencies, etc. I am here to provide you the know-how to help you structure your team and keep control of the development in order for you to build a successful startup. Well, you might be thinking, what makes Amaury or MyCTOfriend CTOs more relevant? Why should I listen to him? First off, everything you will see here is already out there. I am not reinventing the wheels. I am just talking from real experience, and I gathered the essential know-hows for you. And secondly, on the web there is lots of noise. Everyone is trying to sell you something. With this course, I am not selling you 50k development programs. And I don't want to get some equity of your company. I am just offering you few video courses. And the only way for me to thrive is to offer you something valuable, to give you useful guidance with an external point of view. And my main motivation is to share experience, being proud to help more and more startups all over the world. Okay, it all sounds very good, but you still don't know who am I, right? So let me tell you a bit about myself. I grew up in south of France, and as a kid, I wanted to be an inventor. I was playing with electronic components while my friends were playing video games. Lots of creativity combined with the discipline of 14 years of martial art led me to start coding at 17 years old. Start teaching at 21, and in 2007, I joined an electronic payment company, managing and working with an engineering team. And in 2012, I became a startup founder myself, learning it the hard way. Since 2014, I teach, mentor, and work with incubators, accelerators, startups, as well as business schools, helping founders transform their idea into real startup project, managing growing teams, defining roadmaps, choosing technologies. And I recently realized that 2 decades later, I invent others' products thanks to technologies. So even if we don't know each other yet, I am committed to give you the best for your project. Together, we are going to go through the building process, from the general context of a technical team, as well as the habits of a successful entrepreneur, and basically creating the right soil to be a successful project. And then we are going to cover the ideation process, then the roadmap definition process, the prototyping phase, the development phase, and the growing phase. So count on me to make it as clear and as short as I can. And without further ado, let's get started.